Hey everyone, let's talk about bids and why they're so important when we're in construction and building our projects. We make collecting bids super easy in Ressio, so I really want folks to be able to take advantage of this. Bids are simply requests for prices and quantities associated with particular parts of a construction job. This could be labor, materials, as well as many other things. In Ressio, we make it very easy to do this on a per project basis so you can get accurate quotes to then back your estimate you're sharing out with your clients. All of this is going to flow from the estimate page within your Ressio project, and then you can come on in and create a bid just by clicking into the different categories and cost items, whether those are groupings of items or maybe just some one-off. From there, we're very easily able to create a bid request form using the create button in the upper right hand corner, and then fill out a document that is easily shareable with our vendors. This way we're able to send out the information regarding what we're looking for to our vendors. They then will receive email notifications to fill out this information and get back to us, so we then can update the estimate for our clients based on acceptance. We have a bunch of videos on this process in Ressio. Definitely let us know if you want to see those additional videos. You can check them out on our YouTube channel, or if you have any direct questions, you can always reach out to your Ressio customer success coach. Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much, everyone.